Two men were arrested for credit card fraud-related charges in Wilbraham on Sunday. According to Wilbraham Police Sergeant Sean Baldwin, officers performed property checks of local businesses after a large amount of shoplifting and use of stolen credit cards. They noticed suspicious activity involving two men who were identified as Jamal Johnson and Tyrell Robinson. Police seized gift cards, credit cards, card readers, cash, cell phone, and a Mercedes. Both men face several charges, including credit card fraud.